What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. Today we are at Discovery Bay. I've been having my boat parked out here for about 2 years now, and it's pretty dirty, dusty, and it's time for me to take it back home and service it. It's just been sitting on the water, so got to give it an oil change, clean it. Maybe I'm planning to change the carpet to vinyl, some newer stuff, and back here too. But yeah, get this thing nice and tidy, and get it ready for this fishing season. I'm gonna fish along the way because the dock's about a good 40-30 minutes away, so I'm just gonna slow fish all the way through, get a little fishing out of it. All right, let's go. Let's fish with me. These are some pretty nice houses, huh? Look at that. Look at that. Oh man, look at their dock. Huge ass dock. That's what I like about these corner houses. They got like a wide dock. It can be super wide. Like this dock. Look, this dock has a swimming pool. That one's cool too. Boat lift with the cover. Oh, a turtle. See that turtle? Dude, look at that big ass house, dude. That's goals. That's property tax right there, dude. Ooh, ooh. Got these cormorants. They're just floating up. My trolling motor battery is dead, so I can't really use a trolling motor right now. It's so weak. But I did see some birds diving over here, so let's work this area real quick. Nothing. Let's go a couple more casts. Wish my trolling motor worked. It's not working. Battery's dead. Okay, I can't use a trolling motor, so let's figure out. Let's troll then. Start trolling. Let's get this rod out. My boat's a mess right now, dude. I'm gonna use this to troll. Since my trolling motor's dead, let's troll all the way to the marina. This is a big boy. Look at that yacht. Nice yacht. Look at that setup. What a beautiful setup. Still trolling right now. Just letting the boat pretty much pull its way all the way to the marina. Dang, the tide's hella low right now. You can see all that mud line? You see that line of mud? High tide would be where the bush ends, and the water dropped like 4 feet right there. Check out this tree right here. See that rope? People be swinging off of it. Man, I'm starting to get hungry, but it's a beautiful day out here. This is a trolling lure, but I'm just casting it right now. See if anything hits. Pretty disappointed. I have no trolling motor, so I can't really stay and work certain areas long. We're just gonna drive straight home. See, the water's super muddy, so I'm not gonna work this side. I'd rather work this side. I'm gonna wait till this pole passes by before I cast. Hopefully I get lucky and catch something big on this giant lure. Dude, I just missed a fat ass bass, dude. It swam all the way up to the bait. A big one, like a 2-3 pounder. It swam up to the bait, I saw it. I should have stopped the bait. Chased the lure. Got one, got one. Nice. Got one. Striper. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, I got in my net. Keep it straight. Oh man, it got stuck in here. My bait. Oh, I missed one earlier too. No, never mind. Just chill. Look at this. I'm gonna have a bust a U-turn and refish that area. Yeah? Yeah. I'm just gonna leave this here. Ow! Come back for it later. Let's get another one on. I'm gonna leave that there for now. Got another one going. I have it on a thing, so easy to switch out. Let's go. It's all good. Oh, got another one right there. Oh, dude, slow down the boat a little bit. Slow down. No, never mind. I gotta just flip it in. Oh, look at this one. They're around here. They're around here. Here? Yeah. Just go past that pole. Yeah. Oh. Deadly. Oh. Another one. Let's measure this guy. 17 inches. Get out of here. Oh, we're getting them. We're getting them. We're just having the boat cruise and I'm just working the bank. Stay here, all right? Yeah. Let's try it again. So pretty much I'm casting against this rock wall and it seems to be a lot of action. So what I did was I bust a U-turn. I'm gonna have my brother Andy drive me again through this lap and just keep working it. I got one. Oh yeah, they're around here. Oh, another striper. Look at that. I got him. I step on his tail. It's fine. Look at this. All right, let's work it again. They're around here. They're here. I'm gonna catch myself a keeper. Oh, I see them. They're around here. They keep coming up and looking at it. Oh, this could be a nice one right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, here comes another one. Look at this one. Look at this one. Dude, these are fun. Slaying them right here. Oh, my pants, my pants. Oh no. Got my pants. Oh shit. That's why stripers are so dangerous. Let's get this out before he goes crazy. The hook's on my hand. Step on the tail. We're gonna catch a keeper. They're around here.
Is it heavy?
No. $17 again. Yeah. There's a school of 17 inchers, so let's find them. Let's find the keeper.
Wait,
Oh, right there. You see? I just threw it in.
Wait, you can only keep 18?
Yeah, 18 and up. I just threw it in and it popped at it. At the very end.
I saw the bait, but I didn't see the fish.
Got him. Oh, this is a nice one. Oh, this is a nice one, bro. This is the one. Hey, there's a net right there. Open that net up.
Here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come on.
Wait, you want to come?
If you can, hold on. Oh yeah. Oh man, I thought it was big. This shit's small.
Sorry, no?
Yeah, scoop it. Let's bring it up. Dude, there's a bunch of them about this size. So sick. We just did another lap. Let's see.
Any luck?
Just a few, shaker. A few small ones.
Nice.
Nothing big. Huh?
Are you the famous YouTuber?
I have a YouTube channel.
I think he knows it.
Huh? Yeah?
Yeah.
The bass are all gone now. Don't know where they're at. That was a good action though. Oh man.
Almost?
Yeah, that was a bite. Whew. That was a bit intense when I was catching, but it slowed down. The school swam away. But shout out to Coyote Bait and Tackle for setting me up with my new setup. I'm catching with it, so it's a lucky rod. If you buy a rod and it doesn't catch, that rod's not lucky. Buy a new one. If you buy a rod and you catch first try, that's a good rod. That's how I see it. Some rods I bought and never caught anything, I never used it. You gotta feel that confident. You need that confidence. We are at the marina. Look at this boat storage place. They get a forklift and they forklift it off and they drop it in the water for you. That was a long ass walk. You park at the freaking marina all the way down there and they make you walk all the way down here to get to your car. It's how hot right now. About to back up in here. My trick to backing up straight is you want the trailer as straight as possible. Like, it's not straight, but I have a car in front of me. So I'm gonna bring the tail this way a little bit. See it how it's, see it's turning? There you go. If the trailer starts to go sideways, just stop, move forward again, straighten out the trailer, and just figure out which way the steering wheel points to make it turn the opposite way. There you go. Put on your e-brake and we are good. Now we drive the boat up, lock it up, and load. Gotta make sure you drive it all the way straight. Get that momentum. There's no stopping now. Just gotta straighten it out. Bring up your propeller. We are going in. Tight. There you go. Boat is loaded, going home. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna stop by this gas station that sells crispy, crunchy chicken. I always get it on the way back, so. Whew, that was a good session fishing and getting my boat back. It's super dirty. Gotta just clean it up and get it ready for the season, so. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next vlog. Yay!